Alright, well first of all, let's show this. We got some Beyond Chicken grill strips. What is it? Let's see. Let's show you what's in it. Focus. That's in. Beyond Chicken grill strips. We've got some Engine 2 Plant Strong Fiesta Blend. We've got some Daya mozzarella style shreds and some diced tomatoes and green chilies. And we're going to try to make a little casserole type stuff with this stuff. I kind of thought of this up. We used to have, what was it, a Mexican chicken casserole? But it had a lot of, it had real chicken and it had Fritos in it. So hopefully this will be healthier. Boy, there's a lot of good stuff in that. Does it say to add some water? Well, you can put the tomatoes in.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking I'd do.
Yeah.
Yeah, not really.
Okay.
So, because I could go and just...
Okay, we think we need more grains, so we've got this Minute Multigrain Medley. It's in this bag right here, so we're going to add that. We're going to add some water to it. And there's the finished product. It's got the cheese melted in. I'm going to taste it. Okay, here we go. Mexican chicken casserole, cheesy, all vegan. It's pretty good.
Good?
Hot. I know. New dish.
Yeah.
Brought up on our own. Good job, Miss Wilmarth.
I need to write it down, don't I?
Yep. Thank you for watching.